Welcome to this video. We will quickly learn how to post Instagram Reels from computer. Instagram has introduced this option natively, meaning you don't need any third-party application or installing an Android emulator. Just log into your Instagram account on your computer, go to Create button, and then click on Post. Here, you get the option to post photos and videos. Instagram made a change, converting all the other videos that were posted on Instagram into Reels. Earlier, if you had posted videos from this option, it was not Reels, it was a regular video. But now, any video you post here will be a Reel. So, select the Reel from your computer and then you get the option to change the aspect ratio. You can do it from here. And if your video is originally recorded and edited in the vertical format, then you can click on original and it will be in the original size. Then you can click next and change the cover photo. You can either select one of the frames from your video as a cover photo, or you can select a particular image, which is what I recommend. You can also trim the video and mute the video. Unfortunately, as of now, you cannot use the music library that is available in the mobile version of Instagram. But there are two methods, one for Apple users, the other for all users. For Apple users, you can utilize the Apple ecosystem, which is if you have a Mac computer and an iPhone, the latest version of Mac update and iOS update has brought this functionality for Apple users to mirror their iPhone on Mac computers. Once you mirror it, it works as if you are controlling your entire iPhone from your Mac computer. You can open it and then post any reel on Instagram. But for that, you need to have that file on your mobile phone, which you can easily do by sending the file via airdrop. Now, the second method is for everyone. You can post anything from your computer, save it as a draft, then go to the mobile version of Instagram, open it in the app and add any music to that reel before posting it. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.